Hey, Brian from Detachable Hall. Today I have the Vactidy. So this is the box that it comes in. Just kind of give you an idea. Simply done, always. So let's open this up. And then we'll go into the main house and we'll test it out and see how it works. So this is the box. So right on top you get your user manual. So it comes in a nice sealed little bag. Open it up. So that is your user manual. So this is the V9. And again, read through the manual. It has a lot of information in there. So a lot of little tips and tricks and everything else. You want to get that all underway. Okay, so looks like this is a filter we have. So I'll put that over here. This is your little charging cable. This is a little brush accessory. Part of one of the uprights. So I'll get all the parts put out here. These are a couple screws to mount the wall mount. Corner brush. Packing. Looks like your power brush there. There's a lot of stuff in there. So that is your wall holder. Alright, then your vacuum. So let's get this box out of the way. I think we'll go over here with it. So I guess we gotta give it a little bit of a charge. So that opens, that battery pops out, and then you have your plug. Generous left the cord, so we'll get that plugged in and charging. So you got a little blue blinking light on that. Alright, so let's assemble this. So that clicks in. And that's how you want to empty it. So that little button opens that bottom compartment. So that's your dust piece right there. Then this has a little twist. Then this comes out. So that is another filter that you have that you can clean. So pretty cool. I like that. And then this telescopes out. So way out, so you got a really long extension on it. Then that's your power head attaches. Disconnects. Then you have your corner brush, corner vacuum attachment piece rather. Then this is pretty cool. So this is kind of like your, it has that brush that goes on that, it retracts back, so you have a larger vacuum edge. Everything is like super quick and easy on this. I like that. And this like tracks all the way back, makes a nice little compact vacuum. So, alright, let's let that battery charge up and go inside and we'll run through and show you what it does on hard floors, carpet, and tile. So, Brian from Detachable Hall, stay tuned. Okay, so the battery, you line it up. Push it in, just clicks into place, and then basically we're ready to start going. Then this is your speed settings. Move on to the carpet. Tile floor. Go straight around edges. Look at that, what a great vacuum. Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching and be safe out there. Basically you're just pushing this button down and then you can just drop that out and you're good to go. Nice and clean.